stone statues carved so many centuries ago. Well, now archaeologists are excited about a brand new find.
For centuries, they stood in silence. But now, for the first time, their silence has been broken. Easter Island's Moai statues, once thought to be just stone heads, have been scanned with cutting-edge AI. What the machines uncovered beneath them is not only rewriting history, it's sending a chill through the world. Chambers sealed for 1,000 years, carvings that look like warnings, and patterns that may point to an ancient catastrophe. And here's the most unsettling part. Some experts believe the Moai weren't built to honor the past, but to protect us from something that was never meant to be uncovered. For centuries, they stood in silence. Enormous stone giants carved from volcanic rock, scattered across the grassy hills of Easter Island, known to its people as Rapa Nui. To most of the world, the Moai were just colossal heads, eerie faces staring across the Pacific like guardians of a forgotten age. But that belief was only half the story. Excavations in recent decades revealed the shocking truth. Those heads are actually full-bodied statues, some stretching over 30 feet tall, buried deep in volcanic soil. And yet even that discovery was only the beginning. In 2025, archaeologists brought in tools no one in history had ever used on the Moai. Ground-penetrating radar, drone-mounted LIDAR, multispectral imaging, and artificial intelligence trained to process mountains of raw data. For the first time, the Earth beneath these statues was mapped in astonishing detail. What the AI uncovered stunned scientists. Entire torsos hidden underground, etched with carvings invisible to the naked eye. Symbols that looked Polynesian in origin, yet others that didn't match any known culture. Even stranger, voids appeared beneath some statues. Geometric chambers and spiral passageways, sealed for over 1,000 years. And here's the most unsettling part. Some researchers now believe these figures weren't built only to honor ancestors. They may have been planted as guardians, sealing something beneath the island that was never meant to be disturbed. For decades, archaeologists studied the Moai the old-fashioned way. Slow digs, fragile tools, endless theories. Every discovery took years, and even then, most of the statues remained half-buried, too delicate to move, too sacred to disturb. But that all changed when a team of researchers from Stanford University, the University of Chile, and a private company called GeoDepth turned to artificial intelligence. They deployed ground-penetrating radar to pulse deep into the soil, drone-mounted LIDAR to sweep across the terrain, and multispectral imaging to capture data invisible to the human eye. The result was overwhelming. Terabytes of soil readings, density maps, and hidden contours. Far too much for any human team to analyze in a lifetime.
That's where AI became the game changer. Trained on thousands of archaeological patterns, geological layers, and construction anomalies, the algorithms began to assemble the puzzle. Within days, it flagged dozens of Moai with irregular subsurface structures, tunnels, voids, even what looked like staircases leading into nothingness. Unlike human eyes, AI didn't grow tired or biased. It detected patterns no one expected, revealing carvings and chambers buried so deep that no spade could ever have uncovered them. And as the first images came into focus, researchers realized they weren't just looking at stone statues anymore. They were staring into the blueprint of a civilization's most guarded secret. The AI's results were not just data points on a screen. They were a window into secrets the Moai had guarded for centuries. For the first time, researchers saw what lay hidden beneath the surface. Full torsos, carefully carved, buried deep under layers of volcanic ash and soil. These weren't rough foundations, they were finished works of art, many etched with markings invisible to the naked eye. Multispectral imaging exposed intricate carvings along the statues' torsos and backs. Spirals, crescents, and solar-like motifs that echoed Polynesian petroglyphs. But among them were designs that didn't belong to any known cultural style. Some appeared almost mathematical, geometric patterns that looked less like decoration and more like coded messages. And then came something even more shocking. Beneath several moai, the scans detected hollow chambers, perfectly shaped voids buried more than 10 feet below the ground. Some seemed to contain arranged stone slabs, like lids covering something sealed long ago. Others hinted at spiral staircases leading into the earth, their purpose unknown. This wasn't just art. It wasn't just engineering. It looked deliberate, intentional, as if these giants were standing watch over something far more important than themselves. And just when scientists thought the surprises were over, one statue revealed a carving unlike any other, a figure engulfed by waves, as if warning of a flood. What the AI revealed beneath the moai was more than hollow gaps in the earth. These were geometric voids, perfectly shaped like small rooms, buried deep beneath the bases of the statues. At least 7 of the scanned moai showed clear evidence of these sealed spaces, some no larger than a hut, others stretching into what looked like passageways. One chamber displayed a spiral formation, almost like a staircase, coiling downward before disappearing into darkness. No one knows if it leads anywhere or if it was designed to symbolize descent into another realm. Another scan revealed a series of stacked stone slabs, arranged as if to cover or protect something beneath. Were these burial chambers for leaders and shamans, or vaults meant to hold objects too sacred or too dangerous for the outside world? The deeper the scans went, the stranger it became. AI detected anomalies in soil density that suggested not just voids, but entire networks of carved passageways connecting the statues. If true, the moai weren't isolated monuments at all, but surface markers to a vast underground complex. And yet, every chamber shared one haunting detail. They were sealed with care, intentionally closed off, as though whoever built them wanted to make sure no one could enter again. When multispectral scans exposed the buried torsos of the moai, they revealed more than stone. Across the chest and back of several statues were markings invisible to human eyes. Spirals, crescents, and solar-like motifs, some matched the traditional Polynesian petroglyphs, but others looked alien to the culture we thought we understood. Their sharp geometry seemed less like art, and more like encoded knowledge.
One pattern, repeated across several statues, depicted wave-like forms. On one moai, far from the main clusters, a carving showed what appeared to be a human figure engulfed by a towering wave. At first glance, it could be dismissed as symbolism, but paired with surrounding spirals and celestial markers, some experts suggested it may record an ancient catastrophe, perhaps a tsunami or flood that once devastated the island. Other markings resembled astronomical alignments, star maps etched into stone. Could the moai have doubled as a calendar, tracking eclipses or solstices? If so, the statues were not only monuments, but instruments of time, warning beacons that connected heaven and earth. And then came the most chilling interpretation, that these carvings weren't memorials or even records, they were warnings. Messages carved in stone, meant for eyes thousands of years in the future. By now, the scans had revealed carvings, chambers, and sealed passages, but the question no one could answer was why. What drove an ancient people to carve giants, bury them, and lock away entire underground structures? Theories spread quickly, and not all of them were comforting. The first theory is the most grounded, that the moai mark the memory of disaster. The tsunami-like carvings suggest the islanders may have endured a cataclysm, waves swallowing villages, volcanoes erupting, or storms tearing across the Pacific. If true, the moai were placed not as decorations, but as warnings, markers to remind future generations of what could come again. But then came the more disturbing idea, the containment theory. According to this line of thought, the moai weren't only memorials, they were guardians. Their weight, their careful placement,
Even the sealed chambers beneath them might have been part of a system to lock something underground, something the islanders believed should never see the light of day. Archaeologists are careful not to sensationalize. They insist the Moai reflect reverence, not fear. Yet even respected experts admit they're unsettled. These chambers weren't left open, one researcher warned. They were closed forever. Which leaves us with the haunting question, what exactly was sealed away, and why? The moment news of the AI scans broke, the world lit up. Within hours, hashtags like Moai Secrets and Ancient Warning trended across social media. TikTok filled with dramatic edits, drone footage of the statues layered with ominous music, captions reading, "What did they bury beneath these things?" One video claiming the Moai were guarding the gates to the underworld pulled in tens of millions of views overnight. YouTube channels that thrive on mystery and conspiracy dropped videos with titles like Moai Statues Decoded, Humanity Was Warned. Reddit went into detective mode, cross-referencing the locations of the statues with tectonic fault lines and historical tsunami zones. Even memes joined the frenzy, pictures of the Moai plastered with captions like the original apocalypse preppers.
The buzz didn't stop with amateur sleuths. Major streaming platforms teased docuseries based on the findings. A sci-fi writer rushed to publish a thriller novel inspired by the chambers. Suddenly, the Moai weren't just ancient statues, they were pop culture icons, symbols of a mystery too big to ignore. But the hype carried a cost. Scholars worried that speculation was drowning out science, while Rapa Nui leaders urged the world to treat their heritage with respect, not just as fuel for entertainment. And yet, even with the warnings, the question hung heavy in the air. Why did the Moai captivate us now more than ever? As the internet turned Easter Island into a global stage, another voice rose above the noise. The voice of the Rapa Nui people themselves. To them, the Moai are not internet curiosities or puzzle pieces for outsiders to decode. They are living faces of ancestors, sacred guardians tied to family, land, and identity. Every carving, every platform, every placement carries meaning deeper than outsiders often grasp. Leaders of the community urged caution. They reminded the world that just because AI can peer beneath the statues doesn't mean humanity should pry open what was intentionally sealed. Some warned that disturbing the chambers could desecrate sacred ground, breaking ties between the living and the spirits who came before. This tension sparked fierce debate. Scientists saw opportunity, data that could reshape our understanding of ancient civilizations. Tech companies pushed for deeper exploration, promising breakthroughs. But cultural stewards insisted the focus should be on respect, not excavation. And somewhere in the middle stood archaeologists, torn between discovery and preservation. Every image of sealed voids raised temptation. What lies inside? Bones of leaders, sacred objects, or something more mysterious? Yet every step closer to opening those chambers carried the weight of spiritual violation. The world wanted answers, the Rapa Nui wanted reverence, and between them hung a fragile balance that could collapse with a single decision. The revelations beneath the Moai did more than ignite debate. They signaled a turning point for archaeology itself. For centuries, uncovering the past meant years of painstaking excavation, fragile tools, and endless patience. But in a matter of days, artificial intelligence mapped with generations of archaeologists could never have seen. Easter Island has now become the face of a new era where machines can peel back layers of earth without moving a single stone. The implications stretch far beyond Rapa Nui. If AI can expose sealed chambers beneath the Moai, what might it reveal in Egypt's deserts, beneath the jungles of the Amazon, or under the sands of Mesopotamia? Already projects are underway at Göbekli Tepe in Turkey and Angkor Wat in Cambodia,
where similar scanning technologies may uncover secrets hidden for millennia. Some call it a second renaissance, a wave of rediscovery fueled not by shovels, but by algorithms. Yet with this power comes risk. Over-reliance on AI could reduce human interpretation to mere data analysis, stripping culture and belief from the story. And even worse, curiosity without restraint could lead to sacred sites being violated under the banner of progress. Still, the momentum is unstoppable. Archaeology has entered a new age, and Easter Island may only be the beginning. The Moai have stood for centuries, silent sentinels carved by hands we barely understand. With AI, we've pulled back the veil, revealing chambers, carvings, and mysteries sealed away for over 1,000 years. But for every answer, 10 new questions have risen. Were these giants built to honor ancestors, to track the heavens, or to guard against disasters long forgotten? Or were they warnings, messages carved in stone for a future they knew would come? What's most humbling is not how advanced our technology has become, but how human the mystery remains. These weren't statues for decoration. They were part of something bigger, something sacred, intentional, maybe even urgent. The Rapa Nui saw the Moai as living faces, guardians of memory. Today, they stand as reminders that knowledge can be both gift and burden. And now, the world faces a choice. Do we respect what was sealed away, leaving the chambers untouched? Or do we open them, risking what their builders may have fought to keep hidden forever? The Moai still stare across the Pacific with unblinking eyes, as if waiting, watching, guarding. And the question echoes louder than ever. What else lies buried beneath the earth, waiting for us to uncover or unleash?